Hey there, future millionaires. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey that could change your financial future forever? Ever dream of watching your money grow while you kick back and relax? Imagine sipping a cool drink on a sunny beach while your investments work for you. That's the magic of the stock market. It's a dynamic world where fortunes are made and opportunities abound. It can seem intimidating at first, but trust me, it's not rocket science. With a little guidance and the right tools, anyone can learn to navigate this exciting landscape. This guide will break down the process of buying stocks, step by step. From understanding market trends to making your first trade, we've got you covered. We'll make smart investing simple and accessible, even if you're a complete beginner. No prior experience? No problem. Think of this guide as your roadmap to financial success. Each step is designed to build your confidence and knowledge. We'll navigate the ins and outs of the stock market together. From understanding key terms to analyzing stock performance, you'll gain valuable insights. Get ready to learn the essentials of picking winning stocks and building a brighter financial future. Let's dive in. Your journey to becoming a savvy investor starts now. Remember, investing always involves some risk. It's important to be aware of the potential downsides and prepare accordingly. But with the right knowledge and approach, you can minimize those risks and maximize your potential for profit. We'll teach you how to make informed decisions. So, buckle up and let's embark on this exciting journey to financial freedom. Together, we'll turn your financial dreams into reality. Before you even think about buying a single share of stock, you need a game plan. This isn't just about picking the right stocks or timing the market perfectly. It's about understanding your financial landscape and setting clear, achievable goals. What are your financial goals? Are they short-term, like saving for a new car or a vacation? Or are they long-term, like building a retirement nest egg or funding your child's education? Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your dream vacation? Maybe it's a combination of several goals. Each goal will have its own timeline and financial requirements. Your goals will determine your investment timeline and risk tolerance. A longer timeline might allow for more aggressive investments, while a shorter timeline might necessitate a more conservative approach. Are you in for the long haul, aiming for steady growth over decades? Long-term investments can weather market fluctuations and potentially offer substantial returns. Or do you need quicker returns? Short-term investments might offer faster gains but come with higher risks and volatility. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial. How much risk are you willing to take on? This will influence your investment choices and strategies. Are you comfortable with the possibility of short-term losses in exchange for potentially higher long-term gains? Market fluctuations are a part of investing, and your comfort level with these ups and downs is important. Or do you prefer more stable investments, even if it means potentially lower returns? Honesty is key here. Knowing your true risk tolerance will help you avoid making impulsive decisions during market downturns. Define your goals, assess your risk tolerance, and you'll be well on your way to making smart investment choices. With a clear plan and a solid understanding of your financial objectives, you can navigate the investment landscape with confidence and purpose. Now for the fun part. What industries get you excited? Technology, healthcare, renewable energy? Investing in what you know and love can be both profitable and enjoyable. Think about the products and services you use daily. Chances are there are publicly traded companies behind them. Do you swear by your smartphone? Explore the tech sector. Passionate about sustainable living? Dive into renewable energy companies. Once you've chosen a sector, stay updated on industry news and trends. Read industry publications, follow relevant social media accounts, and attend webinars. Knowledge is power in the stock market. The more you know about an industry, the better equipped you'll be to identify promising investment opportunities. You've chosen an industry that excites you. Now it's time to zoom in on individual companies. This is where the real detective work begins. Start by examining the company's financials. Look at their revenue growth, profitability, and debt levels. Are they consistently making money? Are their sales increasing? A company's financial health is a key indicator of its potential for future success. Don't stop at the numbers. Research the company's management team. Are they experienced and trustworthy? What's their track record? A strong management team is crucial for steering a company toward success. Finally, analyze the competitive landscape. Does the company have a unique product or service? What are their competitors doing? Understanding a company's competitive advantage is vital for assessing its long-term viability. Section 5. The numbers game, understanding key metrics. In this section, we will break down the essential financial metrics that every investor should know. Numbers can seem intimidating, but they don't have to be. With a little understanding, they can become powerful tools in your investment arsenal. Think of them as your financial compass, guiding you towards smart investment decisions. Just like a compass helps you navigate, these metrics help you understand the financial health and potential of a company. One crucial metric is the price to earnings, or PE ratio. This ratio is a key indicator of how the market values a company relative to its earnings. It tells you how much investors are willing to pay for each dollar of a company's earnings. For example, a PE ratio of 20 means investors are willing to pay $20 for every $1 of earnings. A high PE ratio might indicate that the company is overvalued, while a low PE ratio could suggest an undervalued opportunity. However, context is key. Always compare PE ratios within the same industry. Another important metric is earnings per share, or EPS. This figure represents the portion of a company's profit allocated to each outstanding share of common stock. This measures the company's profitability on a per-share basis. A rising EPS indicates that the company is generating more profit for its shareholders. Higher EPS generally indicates better financial health. Investors often look for companies with consistently growing EPS as a sign of strong performance. Don't be afraid to dive into other metrics like debt-to-equity ratio, return on equity, or ROE, and dividend yield. Each of these provides a different perspective on a company's financial stability and performance. Understanding these numbers empowers you to make informed investment choices. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complex world of investing and achieve your financial goals. Section 6. Expert opinions, seeking guidance. Even seasoned investors rely on expert opinions. Financial advisors, analysts, and reputable financial publications can provide valuable insights and recommendations. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from professionals. They can help you navigate the complexities of the market and make data-driven decisions. Remember, you don't have to go it alone. However, always do your own research. Don't blindly follow anyone's advice, even if they seem like an expert. Consider multiple perspectives, weigh the pros and cons, and make decisions that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Section 7. The learning never stops, staying informed. The stock market is constantly evolving. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. That's why continuous learning is essential for long-term success. Stay updated on market trends, economic indicators, and geopolitical events. Read financial news, subscribe to newsletters, and listen to podcasts. The more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to adapt to changing market conditions. Remember, knowledge is power. Embrace the learning process, stay curious, and never stop seeking new information. The more you learn, the more confident and successful you'll become as an investor. Section 8. Managing your investments, buying and selling. You've done your research, analyzed the numbers, and are ready to make your move. But how do you actually buy and sell stocks? You'll need to open a brokerage account. Choose a reputable online broker that aligns with your needs and budget. Once your account is funded, you can start placing orders. Remember, patience is key. Don't expect to get rich quick. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Set realistic expectations, manage your risk, and avoid emotional decision-making. And remember, diversification is your friend. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different companies, industries, and asset classes to minimize risk. Section 9. Riding the waves, dealing with market volatility. The stock market is a roller coaster. There will be ups and downs. Don't panic when the market dips. Remember, volatility is normal. Instead of making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed, stick to your long-term investment plan. View market downturns as buying opportunities. Keep a cool head, stay informed, and focus on the long game. Remember, time is your ally in the stock market. The longer you stay invested, the more opportunity your investments have to grow. Section 10. The long game, patience, and persistence. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Don't get discouraged by short-term fluctuations. Stay focused on your financial goals and remember that compounding returns take time to work their magic. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small, consistent investments can add up to significant wealth over time. So, stay the course, ride out the market's ups and downs, and enjoy the journey to financial freedom. Section 11. Congratulations, investor. You've reached the end of this guide. Congratulations. You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to navigate the exciting world of stock investing. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one investor might not work for another. The key is to find a strategy that aligns with your individual goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. Stay informed, be adaptable, and never stop learning. The stock market is constantly evolving, so continuous education is essential for staying ahead of the curve. Now go out there and make your financial dreams a reality.